Yo guys, here's a recap of the trade I took today. Pretty simple. Let's get into it. So right here we have London session high, London session low. Price almost tapped into it right here, but nope, we didn't. Then we almost tapped into it right here, but nope, we didn't. But then finally, price actually tapped into the London high and got a reaction out. So I entered. I entered at 8:59 right before I got off the markets. Very tight. Yeah, and I targeted 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and bang, that got hit. Got demolished actually. Yeah, for being real, got demolished. So yeah, that's a recap. Peace.